a client, if I'm a client, I would love to know, like, is it actually budget friendly, or it's one time investment with minimum, like, on zero maintenance, or it is budget friendly with zero maintenance? How it's going to affect the pocket of a common man, and how it's going to go?
To be honest, actually, I mentioned earlier itself, like we can every design no can be both high end and low budget friendly. When you come to this budget friendly thing, you can incorporate this weightless interiors in two different ways. One example, what I said was using color, light, and reflective materials like budget friendly materials we can incorporate in our residential commercial buildings. When you go to higher end friendly, there comes I told you about the Edge Amsterdam and this thing where they have used carbon fibers and composite panels, which is quite like costlier compared to the cheaper version. So it can be done in both the ways. It's our job as a designer to explain them. Like if we use this material, this will be the in outcome, and we have to be clear in our line. I would say, like if you want to go, if the client budget is like this much, we have to use certain materials. Like we can create this weightless interiors by incorporating just color, which is necessary, which will be using by painting. Next one is like light. Of course, light is necessary in every spaces. We can use like quality LED strips and overhang lights or something, chandeliers or something like that we can use. And reflective materials, which is the polished surfaces are quite cheap, and mirrors, of course, you will get it in a good way. So we can incorporate this in our design and we can create a good budget friendly space. If it is a high end line, we can go for a solar, like less heated panel, glass walls, carbon fiber in our designs for roofing. And we can create floating staircases like cantilever staircases, and we can create ceilings which can be like a cloud floating, especially in commercial spaces. And we can use like ropes to create something interesting.